Today we got a video from BLN Safety, and the title of the video is entitled Shoplifter Thinks Laws Don't Apply to Her.
Fly I-1, please.
Just let me put the stuff back.
Okay. Why are you doing this?
My friend was making me do it.
Okay.
I owe money.
Okay, well stop running, okay?
Okay.
What all did you take?
Just clothes. He wanted clothes. Just clothes.
Here, grab
Just
it.
give it to me. Go.
All right, here, we're gonna go back there. Pick that up.
35 peasants here over there.
I don't want to be doing it. I got a baby. I owe the money.
All right, well you shouldn't be doing this. Here, we're gonna be going over here.
013-168.
I just go.
013-168 at 2108.
Something tells me this is not her first time doing this. Oh, Walmart?
We're gonna go over here and we'll talk about it. Yeah.
I'm an 8-month-old baby. Here she is.
All right, you don't need to be answering that right now.
Central Cover, I'm gonna switch to 3 for a minute. Central Cover.
Do you have an ID on you?
I'm gonna be out of Walmart with 32.
I need that information.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't.
They never do. Just cops need to just stop asking that question. They never have an ID.
Lincoln all channel 2.
Here, what all did you take? We're gonna be going through your purse right now, okay?
Dead arrest from an ABC there.
You're a warrant, that's why.
No, you're not.
Yeah, 3 times.
I already know who you are.
No, I'm not.
I didn't even say it. I already know
Look
who
at
you
my, how
are.
do you
Right
know
here,
who I
stop
am?
pulling away.
No,
Stop
look
pulling
at my
away.
name.
Stop pulling away.
I have a baby. Please let me go.
Stand behind your back.
Stop pulling away.
Please. My baby, I don't have anybody to watch my baby.
Okay, stop.
We're gonna take it on the ground. Knock it off.
Please let me go.
Knock it off.
No, stop.
Get her together. She ain't listening.
Stop.
Stop pulling away.
I need to like, go get my baby's in the car by herself.
Okay, my boy Rico.
Arrangements, knock it off.
No.
We're gonna take you down to the ground if you don't stop.
Please let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I'm not. You guys are gonna. How do you know who I am? Look up my name. Look my picture up. I have my ID. I have my ID. Yeah,
Now she got it.
You got it?
15 and 13 for me.
You guys did not do this. Please let me go. I have to go to my baby. Please, I have to go to my baby. Please, I'm begging you to let me go to my baby. Please. Please. Please, I have to go to my baby. Please. Please. I'm begging you. Please. I'm fighting for my damn baby. Stop.
32, can we get another unit?
31 take it
Please.
Woo!
Stop resisting. You're under arrest.
Please. Please let me go. Please. I'm begging you. Please. Please.
Just stop pulling away. I'm gonna put these handcuffs on you and then we'll talk about it.
You doesn't talk about anything else. I'm begging you, please. I'm begging you. I'm gonna stop. I promise I'll stop.
Put your hand behind your back now.
I promise I'll stop.
All right.
They're Walmart.
Put your other hand behind your back.
I'm going to. You don't have to do that. I just have my baby there. That's all. Please.
30.
I'm telling you.
Just gonna warn you.
I promise I am.
Lying about everything?
Stay on the ground.
Can I sit up? You can't breathe.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have done this. How about that?
Back up, you need me to step it up at Walmart.
Please.
Damn, them cuffs is all jacked up. Okay, there we go.
Look at my picture.
All right, what's your name?
Talk about a warrant. You detained me for no reason. My ID's in there.
I'll get all her info.
Yeah.
You're under arrest for retail theft. At the very least, and resisting. What do you mean no?
You arrested me for no reason.
Retail theft.
Okay.
And resisting.
Can I stand up?
I don't know, you gotta
And they trying to hit the lotto. See them?
I'm sorry.
You caused this.
I have an 8-month-old.
Okay, and you come in here to steal with an 8-month-old.
Can I stand?
Can I get a 12 spot? For Anthony.
Not even for me. None of it is.
Oh, too bad.
32 units. 32.
I'm not going there. I promise. I promise.
All right, stop.
34 copies.
That's enough.
You're hurting me though.
Hey, Mikhail, I'm gonna take
There's
her.
rooms going around. If they need me for a search, otherwise I'll go to me. Number 33, 33,
You listening to me?
Tough one.
My baby's out there. Can I go to my car? Please, can I go to my car?
No, at this point, I mean, we already explained this to you.
You know, it amazes me how no one cares to think about their child while they're committing these acts. But now all of a sudden, now that you have gotten caught, now all of a sudden they care about their child. They got this, they got dogs, they got pets. You know, oh, my cat just died. Oh, I gotta get home to my dog. And oh, I got a baby. And oh, I got 3 kids at home. You wasn't thinking about that before you was committing the crime? Especially from Walmart? Oh, Walmart gonna get you now. Walmart not playing. Walmart, Target, Best Buy, you know, these type of places, they not playing with you. They gonna get you together. You might get away with it 1 or 2 times, maybe even 3 times if you're lucky, but it's gonna catch up to you. It's gonna.
We're gonna be going over here tonight.
Please let me go to my car. Please, please let me go to my car. I gotta go to my car. Are you listening to what I'm saying? Oh, I can't say anything.
I already explained this to you.
Where they at?
32, we're on the grocery side.
Please let me, my baby is there. Please let me go. I have to go to my baby, please.
All right, stop.
I'm not going
All
anywhere.
right, stop going away.
I'm not.
Stop going away.
I'm not going
Step
away.
to this side right
My baby.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
there. Wait, hold on to her.
All right. Is there anything on you?
No.
Okay. Listen.
The only reason I'm freaking out is because I have my baby somewhere where I
Where? I need to know. Where? If you don't tell me, this is on you. So where's your baby at?
On Nicholson.
Where?
I don't know the address. It's on Nicholson. She's on Nicholson. Please.
All right.
Can you take me to her?
Hold on. You need to
What
get in
car
the
are you
car.
here in? The red Kia?
No.
What car are you in?
It's a white Ford.
Where's your red
Focus.
Kia?
My sister's
Your
using
partner
it.
advisors are around from Central. So,
You better not yet.
Right here. That's
All right. You got to go in the car. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make sure you don't have anything on you.
Don't get anything on me.
All right. Uber's on the way anyway. Take a seat for me, okay? Get the belt. Get the belt.
I'm in front of here, spawn on Chicago Street.
Yeah.
Put the belt over. Look his way for a second, okay? Where's your baby at?
Gabby.
Oh, Nicholson, I don't know the address. I don't know the address.
But the kid's not here though, right? In the
No,
Kia or
no.
anything? Okay.
Should be out of Texas.
Dad.
Damn, that ended quick. Quick and abrupt. All right. Another dumb one who only cares about her kid after she has committed the crime, not while, during, or even before. Because if she did, she wouldn't put herself at jeopardy like this, or the kid. Right? Anyway, I think the cops did a good job. They got her together, man. Take her to the ground. Yeah, and that's about it. Listen, donut and coffee in the morning. Listen, guy. I was a correction officer. There's some things that you just can't take out of me, you know? Cops, COs, stuff like that. You know, they do have a stigma, right? Donuts and coffee. It is what it is, you know? That's how you gotta get your morning started. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm giving them a 4 out of 5. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.